Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to style your hair like this. Just as you can see, it's looking like a sporty wave with eco styling gel. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So guys, my hair is already washed already. I'm just going to use my comb to comb it properly. So guys, I'm done combing my hair. The next thing to do now is to use the eco styling gel on my hair, on the edge part of my hair, not every part of my hair. So just watch what I'm going to do now. So guys, I'm done now. The next thing for me to do is just to use my comb to comb it, just as you are going to see right now. You can use any comb of your choice to do this method. So the next thing to do now is to use a shoelace. You can use anything just to tie the hair, just as you can see from this video. You need to tie it very well and tie it so it to be tight, just as you can see what I'm doing now. Once you are done tying it, use your comb to bring the edges out, just like this. You can use your hand to bring the edges out if you want. You can use your comb just to bring them out. Next thing to do is to use your hair tie. You can use any hair tie of your choice to tie the edge of your hair so that it will stick very well. Just watch what I'm going to do. And you continue with your down part removing. You are going to wait for some minutes before you remove the hair tie for your hair. So guys, while waiting for the tying to do its work, I'm just going to arrange my edges right now, and I'm going to use this pony brush. You can use your toothbrush to do it. I'm going to use this edge control, this eco styling gel as well for my edge control styling. I will just pick out a little from the edge control, and I'll just put it in my hand so that I'll be picking it from there.
A few moments later.
Now time to remove our hair tie.